Your business is losing money right now, and it's probably not where you think. It's not your pricing, it's not your product, it's your pipeline. Deals going cold, leads worked in the wrong order, and follow-ups missed. Zia fixes this, and by the end of this video I will show you how to try it for absolutely free. Stay with me, as the automation section at minute 4 is what your competition hasn't figured out yet. Zia, Zoho Intelligent Assistant. It is Zoho's built-in AI, not a plugin, not a third-party tool. It lives natively inside over 55 Zoho apps. CRM, desk, analytics, books, campaigns, and more. Most AI tools are smart in general, but blind to your business. Zia is the opposite. It reads your actual data, deals, emails, customers, history. Think of it as an analyst, a sales coach, and an operation manager, working all 24 hours a day for you. So first one, deal predictions. Every open deal gets a live AI probability score based on your historical close data. Your team sees which deals are moving and which are quietly dying. Stop spending hours on the wrong ones. Then we're going with lead scoring. New leads come in. Zia ranks them by how similar they are to the past leads that actually converted for you. And your reps start each day with a prioritized list. More conversations that really go somewhere. Email sentiment analysis. Zia reads every inbound email and classifies the tone, positive, neutral, or negative. The moment a client's language turns frustrated, your rep gets a flag. You catch and solve problems before they escalate. This feature alone has kept hundreds of clients that were most likely to walk away from us. And then we're going with anomaly detection. Quite new feature. Zia monitors your pipeline continuously. A rep's activity dropping, a lead source drying up, you get an alert in real time, so you can catch problems before the damage will be done. And the last one, revenue forecasting. Zia generates an AI-adjusted forecast based on actual historical close rates, not what your team entered optimistically. Meetings get more honest, targets get hit more often, and on higher plans like enterprise and above, you can just ask Zia anything. Which deals haven't had activity in 2 weeks? And you will get the answer instantly. Quick pause. If this is already useful, the 15-day free trial link is in the description. You just need 3 minutes to set up everything. But finish the video first, as what's coming next will change everything. Here's what I promised. This is where Zia stops being useful and becomes transformative. In 2025, Zoho launched Zia Agent Studio. You can now build autonomous AI agent inside Zoho itself, in plain language with no code. You describe what the agent should do, and Zia generates the setup, and you just have to deploy it. Here how it looks. A lead arrives, Zia scores it high. The agent fires a personalized intro email within just 5 minutes, while your rep is still in a meeting. 3 days, no reply, agent creates a follow-up task. Rep misses it. After 48 hours, the managers will be notified. Nothing leaks here. One company running this exact setup cut deal loss to inactivity by 34% in just 90 days. You're not replacing your team. You're making sure nothing falls through the cracks, and you build it all by typing sentences. You don't need any developer here. And Zia isn't just CRM. For example, Zoho Desk reads ticket sentiment, routes by urgency, and suggests replies. Your support team handles more and faster. Zoho Analytics. Type any business question. Get a chart instantly. No SQL needed, no analyst. And Zoho Books flags spending anomalies and forecasts cash flows. Finance stop being a surprise. Basically one AI, your whole business. So how do you get access? Zoho CRM has a free edition up to 3 users. No credit card, no time limit. There is also a 15-day free trial on paid plans. Link is obviously in the description. At enterprise level, at around $40 per user per month, you'll get deal predictions, lead scoring, anomaly detection, sentiment analysis and forecasting. This is where Zia becomes powerful. At Ultimate plan at $52 per user per month, Zia Agent Studio. This is where your business starts running itself. And you can try Zoho One at $37 per user per month. Every app, every Zia feature across your entire business. Best value on the market so far. Here's the math. If Zia saves each rep 1 hour a day, 5 reps, $30 an hour, that's $3,000 a month back in your business. Zia costs a fraction of that. 15 days to prove the ROI yourself. The link is in the description. Start the trial, set up Zia, let it run 2 weeks, then come back and tell me in the comments what it found in your pipeline that you didn't know was there. If this was useful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. I cover Zoho every single week. So see you in the next one.